The new Ryzen 7030 Brix from Gigabyte is said to be up to 140% faster than Intel's previous generation. Gigabyte has introduced a new line of Brix small PCs powered by AMD's recently released Ryzen 7030 series processors. With statistics indicating that the new systems are up to 140% faster than prior generation Brix PCs, with Intel CPUs. The Taiwanese PC and component maker underlines what users of Intel-based Brix systems have been missing. With its new ultra-compact mainstream mini PCs, Gigabyte claims that minimalism meets power. Indeed, the design is as simple as it gets, without sacrificing essential ports and venting. These systems are also compact, measuring 124 by 120 by 49.7 mm, 4.8 x 4.7 x 2 in. AMD Ryzen 7030 series CPUs power the new Gigabyte Brix, ranging from the AMD 7730U, 8C, 16T, through the AMD 7530U, 6C, 12T, to the AMD 7330U, 4C, 8T. When these Barcelo R CPUs were introduced at CES 2023, they were geared at popular thin and light laptop designs. Their 15 to 28 WTDPs are also suitable for a mini PC with less active cooling. However, there are more advanced and interesting Ryzen 7000 APUs, as these Ryzen 7030 chips combine previous Zen 3 CPU cores and Vega graphics. In terms of technology, these aren't the best AMD Ryzen 7000 mobile chips, but Gigabyte is satisfied with the performance boost they bring over previous generation Intel devices. It ran Cinebench R23 CPU and 3 DMARC GPU tests to put the new AMD Ryzen 7030U series Brix in context. In Cinebench R23 multi-core tests, the new AMD-powered Brix outperformed the competition by 140%. In these testing, the Ryzen 7730U features an 8C, 16T CPU core configuration running at up to 4.5 GHz with a 20 MB cache. 3 DMARC GPU performance tests show the AMD-powered Brix performing well, seeming to be 130% faster than the prior Intel model. What was the prior generation's best-case Intel Brix processor? These were 10th generation parts, namely the Core i7-10710U with 6C, 12T, 4.7 GHz max turbo, 12 MB cache, Intel UHD graphics, and a TDP of 15W. Through a quartet of rear-mounted connectors, the new gadgets may connect up to 4 4K screens at the same time.